This is just a quick sneak peek into this property. This is the interior of a probate property that I'm prepping for market right now, and this is at the very early stages of the prep work. We've met with the personal representative, created a plan on what is going to happen, when it's going to happen, and when we should be on market. We are also identifying what items are going to stay with the estate and what items are going to be sold in an estate sale. So you can see there's a lot of items in the home, and this can be super overwhelming for somebody who's mourning the loss of a loved one. They might work out of state and just not have time to do this. So what I do is I meet with the personal representative of the trustee or whoever inherited the property, and we come up with a step-by-step plan on exactly what's going to happen. So the next step in this process, we've gotten the utilities changed over into the estate's name. The next step is to get some estate sale companies out here and to do a quote on estate sales. Now, one kind of thing that I've learned over the years is estate sale companies love when there's a car involved in the sale because it increases the amount of items they have to sell. So if you have a car involved in an estate sale, you're probably going to get a good amount of estate sale companies that want to work with you. And we'll go through this step by step. We'll do a video every single time we have a milestone and things like that. So if you have any questions about a probate or inherited property or any other property buying or selling in Maricopa County, please feel free to give me a call.